This is the Yashica T4, a charming little point-and-shoot camera released in 1990. It's a highly sought-after little camera, partly because this Carl Zeiss lens, the 3.5 35mm lens. So first up to load, you want to load the battery. You'll notice there's a little door with a little slit in it. You can pop it open and then pop in a CR123 or 123A battery. They're exact same, it's just interchangeable names. They're fairly commonplace to find. And it will show you the right way to get polarity on the battery. You notice the film counter is on. This will be on even if there's no battery and the camera is just constantly on. To turn the camera off and on, there's the little switch on the top, and you'll notice when there is power, the lens will come out of the camera and retract back in. This can be a common fault as well, with the lens not coming out and coming back in. To open the film back, you will notice there's a little switch on the side to open the door. But once you have the roll of film in there, you can drag the leader and drag it to the red line and just place it there. Make sure everything's sort of in the right place, and then the camera will do the rest. When you close the door, you'll hear it wind on, and then you'll see the number 1 appear. Now, to focus the camera and take a picture, the viewfinder is a little bit strange on this camera, but there's clear frame lens with a little dot in the middle of the frame, so you can use that to compose. And when the camera is in focus, there will be a little green light that will appear. And if it's not in focus, it will start blinking. There are multiple flash modes. The first flash mode is automatic flash mode. The second is double flash mode. The third is daylight flash mode. And the fourth is flash off. And the final one is infinity to set the camera lens. Once you've finished your roll, the camera will automatically start to rewind. The leader will go back into the roll of film, but this is nothing to worry about, and this can be taken care of in a lab, or if you've got a leader retriever tool to take it out. There is a way to rewind yourself if you wanted to. If there was ever any problem or you wanted to take out the roll for whatever reason, there is a little button on the bottom of the camera, and it's sort of recessed back into the camera, so you have to sort of get a pencil or something just to push it. This is so you don't do this by accident. And obviously to turn the camera off, you just press the slider.